Have you ever wondered whether a moment you experienced was truly a sign from someone you love? A dream that felt more real than reality? A sudden thought that arrived with perfect timing? A synchronicity too powerful to ignore? What if these moments weren't coincidences, but real communication from the other side? The Life After Death workshop reveals the signs, signals, and subtle patterns that loved ones use to reach out. Through the Unified Afterlife Framework, you'll learn how afterlife communication actually works, why certain signs repeat, how to distinguish real contact from imagination, and how to recognize when loved ones are still near you. Most people have experienced signs from those who have passed, but few understand how to interpret them. This workshop helps you bring clarity to the moments that matter most, so you can recognize connection with confidence and peace. Along with the workshop, you'll also receive the God Signal Blueprint, a powerful guide that explains the frequencies, mechanics, and patterns behind afterlife communication. You'll also receive a digital copy of the book, Physics, Faith and Phenomena, offering deeper insight into the science and spirituality of consciousness beyond death. If you've ever asked yourself, are they still with me? This workshop is the answer. Learn how to understand the communication, trust what you're experiencing, and recognize the signs of continuing connection from those you love. Join the Life After Death workshop and discover how loved ones stay connected long after they've crossed over.